I've known you for so long, you are a friend of mine. But babe, is this all we'd ever be? I loved you ever since, you are a friend of mine. But is this all we're gonna be? You tell me things I never know. I showed you love you've never shown. But then again when you cry, I'm always at your side. You tell me about the love you've had, I listen very eagerly. But deep inside you'll never see this feeling of emptiness. It makes me feel sad, but then again I